Hi guys, Yorkville House here, back with another video. I know this is a weird opening screen for me. I usually show my face for videos, but today we are going to be looking at my fire truck collection. Here is my here's my normal ladder, and here's my small England model of a fire truck. An England ladder. Here are my two fire chief cars, the old version and the new version. Here's my super pumper. Here's my police car, police jeep. So that, here's my police rescue, ambulance, FDNY paramedic, old metal one. My custom made one, which I made myself. My ladder truck, my Hess tractor trailer, my Hess pickup. Down here is my fire flashlight, which I told you that was going to be on my display in my unboxing video. Minecraft torch, Minecraft redstone, firefighter bank, on my microscope, on my tools, and here's my old engine 60 steamer, which is really old. This is what fire trucks used to look like back in the day. And here's my Pottsville. Here's a wooden model of the Pottsville Good Intent Fire Company. I do not volunteer at that fire company. I volunteer at Yorkville House on West Norwegian Street, Pottsville Beach. That's the most famous fire company in Pottsville, Yorkville. This ain't Yorkville right here. This is Good Intent. Alright, I'm going to switch the screen back to my face in a minute. In 3, 2, 1. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, okay, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Like always, please subscribe. Please check out eBoy12356, Luke Shane, Federica Erica, and always check out me. Please leave a like and subscribe. Yorkville House out.